Most web developers don't fail because they can't code. They fail because they repeat tiny mistakes that quietly destroy performance, security, and user trust. If you want your sites to feel fast, look professional, and scale without pain, here are 10 web development best practices pros never skip and the ones most developers get wrong. First, stop building for your laptop. Build for real users. That means slow phones, weak Wi-Fi, small screens, and distracted attention. Performance is a feature, not a nice-to-have. If your site loads in 5 seconds, users won't wait. They'll leave. Compress images, lazy load media, and ship less JavaScript. Don't guess. Measure. Pros use Lighthouse, Web Page Test, or dev tools to profile. If you didn't measure it, you're just hoping. Optimize images like your job depends on it. Use modern formats, responsive sizes, and never upload a 4000px image to display at 300px. That one mistake can ruin your entire page speed. Your CSS should be boring. Messy CSS scales like chaos. Use a consistent naming system, avoid deep nesting, and delete dead styles. If you're scared to touch your CSS, you already lost. 5. Accessibility isn't optional. It's quality. Add proper labels, keyboard navigation, contrast, and semantic HTML. If someone can't use your site isn't done. 6. Validate and sanitize everything, always. Never trust the client, ever. Validate on the server, sanitize inputs, and treat user data like it's radioactive. 7. Security basics beat fancy features. Use HTTPS, set secure headers, store secrets properly, and update dependencies. Most hacks are genius attacks. They're neglected basics. Build components like Lego, not spaghetti. Small, reusable components. Clear props. Single responsibility. If one component does everything, it will eventually break everything. Version control isn't a backup. It's your timeline. Meaningful commits, branches, pull requests. If your Git history looks like final 2, really final, you're building on quicksand. Ship with a checklist, not a prayer. Pros run a pre-launch routine. Responsiveness, forms, error states, SEO basics, analytics, 404 page, and real device testing. Because bugs love launch day. Here's the real secret. Pros aren't faster because they type quicker. They're faster because they avoid rework. They build clean the first time. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel.